Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of gnats in your home with an easy home remedy. These should be ingredients that you have in your home most of the time. We had gnats a couple years ago in our kitchen, and this is how I got rid of it, so I do know that this works. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So the things you're going to need are 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or the apple cider vinegar. I read online that the apple cider vinegar works better, but the white distilled works as well. You're going to need 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And actually, when I did it, I didn't use sugar, so you may not need it. And then you're going to need a couple of drops of your dishwashing liquid. So I'm going to go ahead and put my water in here. And then let's see, I need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to pour 1. And 2. Then I also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, so I'm just gonna wipe this out. Oops, 1. 2. Like I said, I didn't do the sugar before, and it still works for us. So if you don't have it on hand, I would go ahead and try it without it. And then you need a couple of drops of dishwashing liquid. This is supposed to like break the surface tension of the water. I think it's supposed to trap them in there better. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a little stir to mix in the sugar and the vinegar. It's kind of gross. So you can do this in a bowl like I'm doing. That's what I did. We had a couple bowls that we used, or if you have jars, you can put this mixture in a few different jars or cups or bowls around your house to trap the gnats. And then just empty it, you know, maybe once a day if there's a lot of gnats in there. Probably at least once a day, more if you get a lot of gnats. But this should work pretty well. Okay, so hopefully this helps somebody that might have the same problem that we did. I think this will work with fruit flies as well, but I'm not sure because I haven't tried it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like these kind of home remedy DIY videos. Please like and comment if you like my content. Subscribe. Check out all my social media links below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.